Welcome, welcome, and thanks for stopping by. Today I'll be making some over the top crispy wings. Okay, here I have some chicken wings that I have cut up and I have let sit in water with a little salt, some garlic powder, and onion powder. I let them sit for about an hour, but the longer the better. Oops. I let them sit in the water and the seasoning just to make a more flavorful wing. I don't know if you've ever been into chicken and it just tastes like chicken. You want your chicken to have flavor all the way down to the bone, where you can suck on the bone and still have flavor. But, so I've drained the water off, and here I have some cornstarch. hmm I put some in this container. I'm just going to add a few of my chicken wings at a time. We want to coat them really well. You know, you be careful with cornstarch because it can be a messy thing. You think flour is messy. Try getting cornstarch everywhere. You'll have a mess to clean up. But anyway, I want to cover these really well. And I'm just going to take them, shake them off a bit, and I'm going to let them sit on this cooling rack to kind of absorb. Whoops, see what I mean? And absorb the, let it sit on the cooling rack to absorb some of the cornstarch. Yep. It's kind of like powdered sugar too. You know, powdered sugar is pretty doggone messy if you're not careful with it. Just make sure these are really coated. And I'm only doing a few because that's, you know, any more than that for me would be too much. See? And as they sit, they'll soak up. When you'll know when they're ready to fry, when they look kind of moist. Kind of moist. I have a couple more here. I'm going to coat these. And then we're going to let them sit for a little bit. Meanwhile, I'm going to let my oil get hot. Okay, I've let the chicken sit until it's the cornstarch has absorbed. See if I can let you see. Kind of looks kind of moist. Well, it's absorbed a lot of the moisture, and that's the way you want it before you start to fry. Otherwise, it'll just, as soon as you drop it in the oil, it'll just come off. I know you've had that happen. We all have. But I'm going to test my oil with this. You know, you test it how you test it, but I'm going to test it this way. And if it starts to sizzle, then it's ready. I think it needs about a minute or so more. Yeah. Yeah, it's about ready now. food makes you dance. It makes me dance. I'm not going to put too many in there because I don't want them to stick together. These are ready. See how they're floating at the top? Yeah. I'm going to take those on out of there and put the other few in there, and then I'm going to show you what's going to take these over the top. They're extra crunchy right now, for sure. I'm going to add these other few in here. Let them do their thing. Okay, right here I have my mortar and pestle, and I have some Old Bay seasoning. And I'm just going to put some in here because I want to powder it down. You know, it's in a salt form right now, but I need it to be powdered down. Add some into there. And I'm just going to grind it until it's like powder. Okay, I've ground this down to a powdery form as much as I could. It's not grainy like salt anymore. When the chicken is finishing up, and you want to season them right out of the grease. I just took them out of the pan, out of the hot grease. I did those few already. And you can do it with your hands, but to make sure they get all around, I just did it with this thingy here. Sometimes your mind don't work right. Sifter, strainer, whichever you choose to call it. That's it. And these are delicious, and especially if you like spicy things. And I don't really like my food real spicy, but this right here, if you don't believe me, try it. I just want you to see one. You hear the crunch? That was hot too. Oh, forgive me. I'm just going to take a little more on here. It's so good. Ain't just for seafood. Well, guys, thanks for hanging out with me. I had a ball. I hope you did too. And remember to pray. Then pray some more. Pray for her. Pray for him. Pray for you. Pray for them. Pray for us. Don't stop praying. Pray. And if you like this video, and if you didn't like this video, just give me a thumbs up. Share. Subscribe if you haven't. Tap that bell if you haven't. That's it. And that's all, y'all. Later. Try this chicken. It's delicious. I kid you not. It's delicious. You'll appreciate it. Later.